What's up, guys? I'm finally back with another tutorial. Got transpose. What's up, guys? I'm back with another tutorial or transpose tutorial, transposing tutorial. Okay, slap that like button, subscribe, don't be selfish, spread the word. That's it, guys. Share this video. That's it, guys. Comment down below suggestions, video tutorials, like okay, you know the drill. Okay, today I'm teaching how to transpose in C sharp, F sharp, A flat. Those are the main three keys that we deal with here in this channel. Okay, so guys, I'll be listening to transpose, like transposing live. Here I'm using, since you are a learner, you know nothing of transpose, you can't hear transpose. Okay, this is simple. Okay, when a singer, umuntu mecula, when someone is singing, every person will sing, like not every person's, like a person will start with a different key, someone will start with a different key, someone, let's say maybe there are testimonies, someone will sing, okay, another one will come with another song, but only to find out that he's singing on the same key. You see, it happens that a service will start with a key and end with the same key. That's it. So let's move on. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to transpose. Okay, let's okay, how do you hear transpose? Listen, if you're still a first time learner, like you're still struggling with transpose, you need to hear transpose at the end of each thing of each line in the song. Okay, okay, ngathini. Okay, okay, this song, I'm gonna play this song. Normally, let's say obaye denkosi yami, obaye denkosi yami. That's where you get to transpose. That's where you get the key of a song. Kosi yami. That's it. This is a transpose. Obaye. Then you transpose. Okay, nakho kunye kufuna ukwazi, this is what you need to know. If you're using C sharp, this is your 0, -1 up to -12, positive, -1 up to -12, +1 up to +12. Also, if you like, you can use this as a 0, of which is this will be -12, of which is this will be +12, so and so on and so on. Okay, you cannot, what you cannot do is to treat this as 0. You cannot treat this as 0 because you cannot just transpose to positives only. You need to also go to the negative. Although you can get to transpose if okay, I'll talk about this later. Okay, if you are using this, if you're using F sharp, this is your 0, -12, -1, -2, 3, 4 up to 12, +1 up to 12. If you are using A flat, this is your 0, -1 up to 12, +1 up to +12. That's it, guys. Sorry for being fast on this information. That's it. I wanted the tutorial